Hey friends, if you encounter this issue of second monitor flickering on and off, then please watch this video. Actually, this is mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum, and I'll give you the focus of the solution, like the gist of the solution. But before that, let us understand the main reason behind it, on the main problem basically. So when a single monitor is connected, then there is no issue. But when we connect the second monitor, then it starts flickering, and rather both the monitors start flickering. So there could be two reasons for it. The first one is that the resolution of both the monitors would be different. So you'll have to find something compatible. And if they're compatible, then right click on the start button and select settings. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display in the right pane and then scroll down for scale and resolution. First of all, both of them should be selected at the recommended setting only and no others setting, otherwise it will cause a problem. The second one is to search for device manager and open the device manager. Now expand the list for, wait a minute, expand the list for display adapters. Right click on both of them one by one and update them. Right click, update driver, search automatically for driver, and make sure that all the display adapter drivers are updated. So this will be sufficient. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.